Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter trigonometry. Okay, now do Brahmanads. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. My dear students, in last class we discussed the fundamentals of the trigonometric function, what is trigonometric ratio and some formulae related to sides and angles. Today we are going to discuss what is quadrants, what is the trigonometric tables, value of the trigonometric functions in different angles, and ASTC rule. Okay, now from last class the concept is what? Trigonometric identities. Let's do one question from last class, that is, if tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m and tan theta minus sin theta is equal to n, then prove that m square minus n square is equal to 4 times root over m into n. This is the question. Okay, so solution is given tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m, equation 1, and tan theta minus sin theta is equal to n, equation 2. Now left hand side, what is left hand side here? M square minus n square. So what is value of m? That is tan theta plus sin theta whole square minus tan theta minus sin theta whole square. So this is what? This is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. The formula is 4 into ab. By this formula we have that, apply it. So this is equal to what? 4 into tan theta into sin theta. Now right hand side, RHS is equal to what? That is 4 into root over mn. That is equal to 4 into square root of what? Tan theta plus sin theta and tan theta minus sin theta. Okay, now this is equal to 4 into square root of tan square theta minus sin square theta, because a plus b into a minus b. So this is equal to what? Sin square theta divided by cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, so take 4 into, that is sin square theta minus sin square theta into cos square theta divided by cos square theta. Clear? So what happens here? That is equal to here, now 4 into square root of what? Take sin square theta common, so this is 1 minus what? Cos square theta whole divided by, this is cos square theta. Now this is equal to 4 into what? Square root of sin square theta into sin square theta divided by cos square theta. Clear? So this is equal to 4 into sin square theta into sin square theta root over means what? Sin square theta divided by what? Cos theta. So this is 4 into sin theta by cos theta and remaining one sin theta here. So sin theta by cos theta is equal to what? Tan theta. So 4 tan theta into sin theta. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. This is the question from previous concept. Okay. Now I am going to discuss about the quadrants. Now I am going to discuss about quadrants. Now quadrants. Actually, what do you mean by quadrant? We know the coordinate system, that is, this is the line x o x dash and this is the line y o y dash. X o x dash is horizontal line, y o y dash is called vertical line. Okay, so two mutually perpendicular lines, two mutually perpendicular lines, two mutually perpendicular lines, that is x o x dash and y o y dash intersect at a point, that is O, at a point O called origin, and divides the space, and divides the not space, that is plane, and divides point O called origin and divide the plane into four parts called quadrants. Okay, in the figure, in the side figure x o y, this is first quadrant, x dash o y, this is second quadrant, and x dash o y dash, this is third quadrant, and finally x o y dash, this is fourth quadrant. Okay, this is fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, suppose this is x comma y is a coordinates. Here x greater than 0, x is positive, y is positive, means in first quadrant x greater than 0, y greater than 0. Suppose here any point x, this is first quadrant. Okay, first quadrant, and this is second quadrant, and this is what? Third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. That is x. Suppose point here x comma y, here this is minus and this is plus. So in second quadrant x less than 0, x is negative, and y greater than 0, y is positive. In third quadrant, this is suppose x comma y, any point here, so minus here minus. In third quadrant x less than 0, y less than 0. In suppose this is point x comma y, this is plus and this is what? Minus. In fourth quadrant x less than 0, in fourth quadrant x greater than 0 and y less than 0. Clear? This is the sign of the quadrants in the sign of the coordinate, sign of the coordinates. This is x comma y is known as coordinate. In first quadrant coordinates, that is in first quadrant, x coordinate is plus, y coordinate is plus. Similarly, in second quadrant, x coordinate is negative, y coordinate is positive. In third quadrant, x coordinate negative and y coordinate also negative. In fourth quadrant, x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. Now this is the about quadrants. Now ASTC rule. Okay, ASTC rule. Before going to ASTC rule, I want to discuss about the variation of angles in different quadrants. Okay, so variation of angles in different quadrants, in different quadrants, variation of angles in different quadrants, variation of angles in different quadrant. Okay, now suppose this is, say this is the coordinate system and this is y dash, y dash, and this is x and this is x dash. Okay, now move like this. This is 0 and this angle is what? Pi by 2. Now come this position, this is equal to what? Pi. एटा केमी हो देखो, ए टोटल एंगल है केते 90 डिग्री माने pi by 2. Pi by 2 again 90 plus 90, that is 180. 180 means pi. Again come to this position, pi plus pi by 2. First pi by 0 केमी हो देखि दियो. First 0, then 0 plus pi by 2, which is equal to what? Pi by 2. This is pi by 2. Okay, then pi plus pi by 2 plus what? Pi by 2, that is pi. This is pi. Now pi plus pi by 2, this is equal to 3 pi by 2. Okay, this is equal to what? 3 pi by 2. Now 3 pi by 2, this is 0. 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 2, what happens? 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 2, 4 pi by 2, that is what? 4 pi by 2. So 4 pi by 2 means what? 2 pi is equal to 2 pi here. So this is 2 pi. तो गोटे रोटेशन देख ये 2, हाँ 2 pi एबे केते आसीओ? pi by 2 प्लस ऐड कर चलो, pi by 2 प्लस ऐड, pi by 2 ऐड हबो. तो एडी this is what? This is 2 pi plus pi by 2. 2 pi this side, move anti-clockwise direction. 2 pi plus pi by 2, 5 pi by 2. Clear? Again 5 pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Again 5 pi by 2 plus pi by 2. What? 5 pi by 2 plus pi by 2, that is equal to 6 pi by 2, 3 pi. This is 3 pi. Okay, then again 3 pi plus pi by 2. What happens here? 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 2 means what? 3 pi by 2 plus, sorry, this 3 pi plus pi by 2, that is 7 pi by 2. So 7 pi by 2, again this 7, this is 7 pi by 2. So 7 pi by 2, again pi by 2, that is 8 pi by 2, that is equal to 4 pi. So this is what? 4 pi. 4 pi plus pi by 2, 4 pi plus pi by 2, that is 9 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2 plus pi by 2, 9 pi by 2 plus pi by 2, that is 10 pi by 2 means what? 5 pi. 5 pi, 5 plus pi plus pi by 2, 5 pi plus pi by 2, what? 11 pi by 2, 11 pi by 2 plus pi by 2, that is 12 pi by 2 means what? 6 pi. ये गोटे ऑब्जर्वेशन देखा ये कौन है 0 एटा ओरिजिन ना 0 0 2 पाई 4 पाई 6 पाई एम सब चलती दिस इज व्हाट even multiple of pi. This is even multiple. What is even? Those numbers divided by 2, that is called even. What is even? Those number divided by 2, that is even. So even multiple of pi, even multiple of pi. Even multiple of 0 is even, so 0 into pi, pi, 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, 8 pi, 10 pi, 12 pi, etc. And this is what? And this is odd multiple of pi by 2. This is odd multiple of pi, sorry, odd multiple of pi. That is 1 pi, 3 pi, this is 3 pi, and this is what? 5 pi, then up 7 pi, then 9 pi, then 11 pi, etc. And what is this? This start from what? Pi by 2, then what? 5 pi by 2, then what? 9 pi by 2. तो ए भितर गैप अच्छी पाई बाई 2 5 बाई 2 जो इंटीजर साइड रे कोएफिशिएंट अच्छी पाई बाई 2 रो मल्टीपल अच्छी डिफरेंस टा केते 1 ना ए डिफरेंस टा केते 4 8 1 अच्छी 5 अच्छी डिफरेंस 4 होला 5 अच्छी 9 अच्छी डिफरेंस 4 होला तापर कोन हबो देन आफ्टर 9 pi by 2 then what 13 pi by 2 then 17 pi. Here gap is what? 4. Here gap is what? 4. Or we can say this is what? 4n plus 1 pi by 2. N belongs, n is equal to what? 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay. N बदल 0 पकड़ दियो. N बदल 0 put कर ले. What is here? Pi by 2. Here pi by 2. N equal to 1. 4 plus 1 5, so 5 pi by 2, n equal to 2, 9 pi by 2, etc. Similarly, this is difference starting from this is pi by 2, then 4 gap. It start होची 3 pi by 2 रे, then gap कत होची 4 रे 3 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, 11 pi by 2, then what? 14 that is 15 pi by 2, then 19 pi by 2. तो pi starting होबो 3 pi by 2 रे गैप जीवो केते डिफरेंस से 4 लखे जीवो 3 7 11 देन 13 ओके सॉरी देन 15 3 7 11 15 19 etc. pi by 2. So this is also this is what what 4n minus 1 into pi by 2 if we move anti-clockwise direction where n is equal to what? Here theta is equal to like this, where n is equal to 1 2 3 4 dot dot. Okay, where n is equal to 1 2 3 4 dot dot. N is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 dot etc. If n is equal to 1, 4 minus 1 3 pi by 2 present here. If n is equal to 8 minus 1 7 pi by 2. If n is equal to 3 11 pi by 2. If n is equal to 4 15 pi by 2. Okay, this is measured in what? This is measured in, this figure is measured in which direction? Anti-clockwise direction. This figure is now clockwise. For clockwise, what happens here? For clockwise, this is clockwise measurement. For clockwise measurement, for clockwise measurement. For clockwise measurement, this is what? This angle is what? Minus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 here. Okay. And this is what? Minus pi. तो minus pi by 2 minus pi by 2. It is plus करथले pi by 2 clockwise रे anti clockwise रे addition होतला. Clockwise रे minus negative sign पड़ियो. And this is what? Minus minus what? 3 pi by 2, and this minus, this is 0, and this is what? Minus 2 pi, minus 2 pi, again this. So take a bigger figure to better understand. For better understanding, this is what? This figure minus pi by 2 anti-clockwise direction, and this figure what? Minus pi, and this figure what? Minus 3 pi by 2, direction is anti-clockwise, and this figure what? Minus 2 pi. Okay, and this figure what? This figure I will do. This is large figure right here clearly. This figure minus pi by 2, this figure minus pi, okay, this is minus pi, and this what? Minus 3 pi by 2, and this what? This is minus 2 pi, and this is what? Minus 2 pi minus pi by 2. So minus what? 5 pi by 2, minus 5 pi by 2, and minus 5 pi by 2, minus 5 pi by 2, minus, that is minus 3 pi. Okay, minus 3 pi minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi minus pi by 2, minus 7 pi by 2. This is minus 7 pi by 2, and this is what? Minus 4 pi, etc. Just a compare करो. ये ऊपर कौन होता पाई बाय 2 स्टार्ट होची, पाई बाय 2 5 पाई, अपोजिट रहले माइनस हे होथबो. जदि मो क्लॉक वाइज कले ऊपर के पाई बाय 2 5 पाई बाय 2 9 पाई बाय 2 होची, मो एटा कोन कली, एटा होची एंटी क्लॉक वाइज डायरेक्शन रे मेजरमेंट हेची. ओके, जदि क्लॉक वाइज डायरेक्शन रे कले ए वैल्यू ऊपर जीवो, एपट वैल्यू तळकु आसीबो, आ माइनस साइन अटैच हे जीवो. एही होची कांसेप्ट. ओके, देन दिस इज वेरिएशन ऑफ एंगल्स. क्लॉकवाइज कले रोटेशन कले पाई बाय 2 ऐड हे जीवो गोटे क्वाड्रेंट गले, एंटी दैट इज एंटी क्लॉकवाइज गले. एंटी क्लॉकवाइज गले गोटे क्वाड्रेंट शिफ्ट होला परे पाई बाय 2 ऐड हबो, बट क्लॉकवाइज गले माइनस पाई बाय 2 -2 हबो. Okay, this is the variation of angles in different quadrant. Now ASTC rule. What? ASTC rule. Let's discuss about ASTC rule. Let's discuss about ASTC rule. Suppose this is the coordinate system, and this is first quadrant, and this is second quadrant, and this is third quadrant, this is second quadrant, and this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Okay, in first quadrant, first letter is A. A means what? All positive. S, this is S means sine and its reciprocal, that is cosec, are positive, others negative. Others are negative. T means what? Tan and its reciprocal, cot, are positive, others are negative. Others are negative. And this is C. C means what? Cos and its reciprocal. Sec are positive, others are negative. Others are negative. Okay. Sine cosec positive, that is all positive here. Second quadrant sine cosec positive, third quadrant tan cot positive, and fourth is cos and sec are positive. And how can you believe that all positive? And how the ST's rules is obtained? Now let's discuss. Okay, so let's discuss for first quadrant. For first quadrant, okay. For first quadrant, suppose theta lies in first quadrant. Suppose theta lies in first quadrant. This is first quadrant. Suppose this is theta, and the point is here x comma y, and this is what? A, and this is suppose O, and this is P. Okay, so this length is x. Here x greater than 0, and this length is what? Y. Let this is equal to root over, that is what? Root over x square plus y square. Here x greater than 0, y greater than 0. Now sin theta is equal from, in figure, sin theta is equal to what? P by, that is y by root over x square plus y square. So positive number divided by positive number is always positive quantity. Positive quantity. Okay. So and cos theta is equal to what? X by root over x square plus y square, that is positive number by positive number is always positive quantity. So sin theta is positive. Sin theta greater than 0, reciprocal means 1 by sin theta greater than 0, that is cosec theta greater than 0. Cos theta greater than 0, its reciprocal 1 by cos theta also greater than 0, that is sec theta. I means that is I dot E means that is sec theta greater than 0. Tan theta means what? Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. This is positive, this is positive. So positive by positive is positive. So tan theta greater than 0. If tan theta greater than 0, that is 1 by tan theta also greater than 0. So cot theta is greater than 0. So in first quadrant, all trigonometric functions are positive. Now for second quadrant. For second quadrant, let this is theta, and this is point is what? And this point is P of x comma y. Here x, this is x and this is y, and this is x square plus y square. X square plus root over x square plus y square is always positive. Here x less than 0, that is negative, y greater than 0, that is positive, and root over x square plus y square is always greater than 0, that is positive. So sin theta is equal to what? Sin theta is equal to P by H, y by root over x square plus y square. So this is always greater than 0. So y is plus, and x square plus y square is also positive. So this is greater than 0. Positive by positive greater than 0. Cos theta is equal to what? Cos theta is equal to x by root over x square plus y square. This is negative by positive. Negative by positive, that is negative less than 0. Okay. So sin theta what? Sin theta greater than 0, that is 1 by sin theta means cosec theta greater than 0. Cos theta less than 0. 1 by cos theta means sec theta less than 0. Okay. So tan theta means what? Sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta what? Sin theta is positive. So this is positive divided by negative. So this is less than 0. If tan theta less than 0 implies 1 by 10 means what? Cot theta also less than 0. This is the verification of the ASTC rule. Now you can verify. Similarly, we can verify for third quadrant and fourth quadrant. ये सब वेरिफिकेशन दरकार नहीं जेहेतु आम बिलीव करने सब हाउ इट इज ऑब्टेन इम्पोर्टेंट. ओके तो मन रखियो केमती मन रखियो ऐड sugar to coffee. Jokely we can say add sugar to coffee. Okay, but this is not add sugar to coffee. All sin tan cos it's positive. Okay, this is the concept about ASTC rule. Now some applications of ASTC rule. Suppose this is the system and this is what? Plus theta and this is what? Minus theta. Minus theta lies in fourth quadrant, quadrant 4. In fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive, rest are negative. Rest or others are negative. Others are negative. Okay, so first one is sine of minus theta. Minus theta lies in fourth quadrant, so it will be what? Minus sine theta. Cos of minus theta. Cos of minus theta. Minus theta lies in fourth quadrant, so cos is positive. Cos theta. Third one is tan of minus theta. Fourth quadrant tan is negative, so tan theta. Fourth quadrant, that is cot of minus theta, minus cot theta. Okay, then fifth bit is what? Sec of minus theta. Minus theta lies in fourth quadrant, sec is positive. Sec is positive, so sec theta. Sixth number, cosec of minus theta. Cosec of minus theta. Cosec theta in fourth quadrant negative, so minus cosec theta. So cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta and sec of minus theta is equal to sec theta. Others are negative. Very, very important concept. Okay. Now values of the trigonometric function in different angles. That is trigonometric table. Now values of trigonometric function at different angles. Values of trigonometric function at different angles. Okay, this is values of trigonometric functions at different angles. Trick. What is trick? Write serially 0 to 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is trick. Then take root over. Then take divide by 4. So this is what? Divide by 4. 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 Then put root over. Square root. Square root. Square root. Square root. Square root. Okay. So this value is equal to what? 0. And this value is equal to what? 1 by 2. And this is what? 1 by root 2. This value is 1 by root 2. And this value is what? Root 3 by 2. And this value is what? 1. So this is sine. This is 0 degree. This is 0 degree or 0 radian. 0 or 0 degree. Okay. Then this is what? 30 degree or pi by 6, and this is what 45 degree or pi by 4 radian, and this is what, this is 60 degree or what, pi by 3 radian. This is 9 degree or pi by 2 radian. So we get here, that is sine 0 0, sine 0 0, sine 30 1 by sine 0 0, okay, sine 0 0, this is 1 by 2, and this is sine 30 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2, sine 90 what, 1, this is 1. This is the simple trick, okay, to find the value of the trigonometric function. If sine is known, then cos, tan, other functions are will be can be determined. Now trigonometric table. Now the values of the trigonometric function at different angles. Sine 0 0, then this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by root 2, and this is what, root 3 by 2, and this is 1. एतिक आम जाना एवं कौन टेक्निक अच्छी, यहाँ हूँ फास्ट, यहाँ हूँ फास्ट क्वाड्रेंट, एटू हूँ सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट. तो साइन टा फास्ट क्वाड्रेंट, सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट प्लस, से गोटे कवर कर दियो केमती हो देख टेक्निकटा ट्रिकटा. तो ओल्टा लिखिदे चलवा, यहाँ कवर करवा, एटा 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 लिखा. क्लीयर? कौन कहली, यहाँ कवर करदेवि सेपट को, यहाँ लिखी, यहाँ लिखी, यहाँ लिखी, यहाँ लिखी, अप टू 180 पर्यटन लिखी. सो कौन हूँ, दैट इज root 3 by 2, then what, 1 by root 2, then what, 1 by 2, then what, 0. 3, এটা 270 degree, এটা 360 degree. ओके, तो कौन करिबा, साइन देख, साइन आमर ये अच्छी, ये जो अच्छी, ये पाई बाई 2 रे साइन हम 1, ये हम -1. सो ये हम -1 कौन केमती, ये हम -1, ये हम 0. सिमिलरली कॉस लिखि दियो, कॉस, तो कॉस लिखले के आसो. नाउ दिस इज साइन, सो कॉस 0, ए 92 उल्टा लिखि दियो, 90 अच्छे तो 1, तो कॉस 0 हम 1. साइन एटा उल्टे उल्टे जीवो, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and this is 0. एवं कवर करते 90 वैल्यू डाउ, तापर cos टा 90 पर नेगेटिव होच, तो -1 by 2, -1 by root 2, and -root 3 by 2, and this is -1, and this is what, this is 0, and this is 1. Cos 270, cos 270 what, 0, and sin by cos means then 0 by 1, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2, so 1 by root 3, and this is 1, and this is root 3, 1 by 0, infinity. So एटा पुट कर दियो, कवर कर दियो, बाकी उल्टा लिखि देबा. सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट tan नेगेटिव, so minus root 3, -1, -1 by root 3, and this is what, 0 by -1, 0 by -1, so minus infinity, and -1 by, sorry, this is 0, this is 0, and -1 by 0, this is minus infinity, 0 by 1, this is 0. So cot कौन हम उल्टी जीवो, 0 by 1, 1 by 0 इन्फिनिटी जीवो, ये root 3 जीवो, ये 1 by 1 1 हम, ये 1 by root 3, ये 0 जीवो, ये minus what, -1 by root 3, ये -1, and minus root 3, and what, this is cot. Cot means cos by sin, cos by sin, okay, cos by -1 by 0, minus infinity, okay, -1 by 0 minus infinity, 0 by minus 1 0, and what 1 by 0, 1 by 0 means what infinity. Now sec was reciprocal cos, so 1 by 1 1 homo, you have a 2 by root 3, you have a root 2, you have a 2, you have a infinity, okay, 0 by 1 1 0 1 by 0, this is minus 2 minus root 2 minus 2 by root 3, and this is minus 1, okay, and this is 0 by 1 by something, 0 by 1 suppose, 1 by 0, this is infinity, okay, this is infinity, and this is sec 1 by 1 1, এটা কোন করিয়া সেম কনসেপ্ট পকে infinity cover 90 value cover कली, ये हम कहते 2, ये हम root 2, ये हम 2 by root 3, okay, 2 by root 3, ये हम कहते फर्स्ट वाला 2, तब root 2, root 3 by 2, ये वाला कहते 1, okay, infinity by 1, तो 1 by infinity लगे तो 0, sorry, or we can reciprocal of sign, reciprocal, sorry, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong, 90 value put hoche, it hoche 0 30 45 60 90, correct, and this is what sec 90 infinity, okay, sec 90, so reciprocal of sign 0 by 1 1 by 0 infinity, okay, এটা দেখো কি হচ্ছে আমার ইনফিনিটি আরম্ভ হবে সেটা ঠিক আছে, এটা কেমন দেখো 1 কভার করলে এই 1 টু স্টার্ট হচ্ছে, কভার নেই 1 টু স্টার্ট, নট রেসিপ্রোকাল অফ সাইন 0 by 1 1 by 0 infinity, this is 2, this is what 2, this is root 2, and this is what 2 by root 3, and this is what 1 by 1 1, then this is what all positive sine and cosec, that is 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3, that is root 2 by 1 root 2, that is 1 by 2 reciprocal 2, 1 by 0 0 by 1 1 by 0 infinity, okay, minus 1 by 1 minus 1, and what 0, that is infinity, 0 by 1 1 by 0 infinity, okay, these are the values of some trigonometric function, values of trigonometric function at different angles, okay. Now one concept, note sin n into pi, sin n into pi is equal to 0, means what, that is sin 0 0 sin pi 0, okay, sin plus or minus pi 0 plus or minus pi 0, sin plus or minus 2 pi 0, etc. This is note 1. Note 2, sin pi by 2, sin 4n into pi by 2 is equal to 1, where n is equal to 0 1 2 3 like this, that is sin pi by 2 1, sin 3 pi by 2 5 pi by 2, 4 difference, 5 pi by 2 1, sin 9 pi by 2 1, etc. Similarly sin 4n minus 1 pi by 2 minus 1, that is if where n is equal to, where n equal to 1, 2, 3 dot dots. If n is, that is, if n is equal to 1, that is sine 3 pi by 2, n jar 1 point kita 3 pi by 2, so minus 1, n jar 2 point kita 7 pi by 2, sine 7 pi by 2 minus 1, and sine 11 pi by 2, n jar 3 pi 11 pi by 2 minus 1, etc. Okay, now this is sine for sine, and for cos n phi is equal to 1 if n is even. Cos n phi equal to minus 1 if n is odd, where n belongs to natural number. Okay, n belongs to z, n belongs to z, set of integer. That is, cos n equal to suppose 0, cos 0 1, cos 2 pi 1, cos 4 pi 1, etc. Cos pi minus 1, cos 3 pi minus 1, etc. Okay, this is plus or minus, you can say plus or minus, plus or minus 2 pi, plus or cos plus or minus 4 pi, plus or minus 4 pi is equal to what? 1, etc. Here this is cos plus or minus pi, and this is plus or minus 3 pi, etc. Okay, now cos 5, cos 2 and odd multiple of pi by 2, cos odd multiple of pi by 2 is always 0. Cos odd multiple of pi by 2 is equal to 0. That is, cos pi by 2 plus or minus pi by 2, that is cos plus or minus pi by 2, cos plus or minus pi by 2 is equal to 0. Cos plus or minus 3 pi by 2 is equal to 0. Cos plus or minus 5 pi by 2 is 0, etc. Okay, then now these are the problem. Find the values of tan square 60 plus 2 tan square 45. Solution of question number 1, that is tan square 60 degree plus 2 tan square 45 degree. What is value of tan 60? Value of tan 60 root 3 whole square and plus 2 into value of tan 45, that is 1 square. So this is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. This is answer of question number 1. Now question number 2. For question number 2, solution 2, what sin theta lies in second quadrant. So sin theta is equal to 3 by 4. What is the formula? That is not 3 by 4. Sin theta is equal to 3 by 5, suppose. Sin theta equal to 3 by 5. This is P by H. 3 and 5, this is 4. Theta lies in second quadrant. Therefore tan theta is negative. So tan theta is equal to what? P by B. So minus 3 by 4. This is question number 1 over, question number 2 over. Now question number 3. Solution of 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 question number 3. What is that value of this? Cot square pi by 6 minus tan square pi by 6. Pi by 6 means what? Pi by 6 means 30 degree. What is value of cot 30 degree? What is value of cot 30 degree? That is root 3. Value of cot 30. that is value of tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Value of cot 30, that is root 3 by root 3 whole square, and this is what? This is 1 by root 3, and value of tan, this is 30. Tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Cot 30 degree is equal to what? Root 3. So root 3 whole square minus 1 by root 3 whole square. So this is equal to what? 3 minus 1 by 3. So 9 minus 1 by 3. So what is answer? 8 by 3 is answer. Okay. Then another question. One question: if sin theta equal 12 by 13 and theta lies in second quadrant, then find the value of sec theta plus tan theta. Solution. Solution: sin theta is equal to what? 12 by 13. Theta belongs to what? Which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant. So sin theta is equal to what? P by h. 12, and this is h is equal to what? 13. Okay. So this is what? 7. That is b is equal to tau h square minus p square. So b equal to h square 13 square minus 12 square. So b is equal to what? 169 minus 144. Okay. So this is equal to what? 5 and 2 25. And b is equal to what? 5. B is equal to 5. So this is 5. So in second quadrant, sec theta and tan theta both are negative. So sec theta is equal to what? Sec theta plus tan theta, which is equal to sec theta means what? Cos theta equal to b by h, h by b. So minus sin, because sec theta is negative. In second quadrant, sec theta is negative. So this is what? Minus b by h, minus 5 by 13, minus b by h, and tan theta equal to what? Minus p by b. Minus p by b. Minus p by b. Okay. Minus p by b. And calculate this. Okay. Sec theta is equal to cos theta equal to what? H by b. Sec theta equal to b by h. Minus. Here negative. Theta lies in second quadrant. So sec theta negative. Tan theta negative. So tan theta equal to p by b, but minus sign. LCM which is 65. 65 value minus 25. Here 12 into 13. That is 12 into 13. So this is what? Sec theta. So this is not correct. Right here. What is here? Sec theta. Sec theta is equal to minus, that is h by b. Sec theta negative hogo, minus h means what? 13 by b, and tan theta equal to minus p by b. So minus 12 by 5. So minus what? Minus 25 by 5. So answer is minus 5. This is the final answer. Okay. Now these are the these concepts, these problems based on the quadrant and the angles of the values of the angle, the values of the trigonometric function at different angle. Okay. These are the some problems. In next class we will learn, we will study, we will discuss what is domain of the function, what is range of the function, and what is the maximum value and minimum value of the trigonometric function, and some more problems we will discuss in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.